This episode will show our journey from Westerly, Rhode Island to the open water off the Stonington breakwater.
What do you need?
Second breakfast.
There's a very narrow channel. You can see the channel marker to our left, and to our right is a whole bunch of rocks. This is a wide angle lens, so things are a lot closer than they seem in the video. This trip usually takes between 45 minutes to an hour, so this is just the highlights of our trip. And sometimes when you least expect it, you'll get a visit from a boat way too close and way too fast and way too large. After cleaning up everything that was thrown around down below, we continued with our trip.
You don't have to even go to the beach. You can just sit there and attach to your boat. You know?
Miss Mopsy. This is classic. This is Miss Mopsy. It's Bertram. We're coming up on another tight spot. We've got Sandy Point to port and a whole bunch of rocks to starboard. And usually this is a spot where the channel is really narrow and you have way too many boats trying to get through at once. Open water at last. We'll be able to start to sail. But that's for another episode. Now you get to watch our solar panel installation. So we started this installation with getting these panels from Steve Fan of Colonial Gardens Nursery in Fairfield. It holds the solar panel off the desk and lets air go through, which keeps the solar panel running much more efficiently. We had to put in some new wiring so that we could direct the solar panel to the two different battery banks. We installed the Victronic controller. It is a wonderful device. It's Bluetooth. Will give you incredible information. It'll show you what you're charging at any given time, your voltage, amps, and it'll also show you what you did for the week, so you can see a history. We bought all of this stuff through Sun Power Yachts in Hawaii. Great people to deal with. And this is a project for the spring. Wish me luck.